Lord, you want a lobster boil? I got you. Let's pop it with the orange juice first. Yeah. Now look, I got the lemon juice too. One of my favorite parts of the boil. Oh my God, this finna be platinum, I'm telling you. Now look, let's pop it with the tarnish first. My favorite seasoning. Yeah. Look at that. I got the Old Bay right here. Oh my God. Behind the back. Now look, I got some onion powder right here too. For real. Now look, the garlic powder right behind it. Don't get it twisted. I can't wait till we get done. Smell it through the phone. We finna go crazy. Look at that. Now look at the accent. Platinum. What you know about that paprika? Look at the paprika. Man, look at the lemon pepper seasoning. You know you can't go wrong with the lemon pepper seasoning. Smell it through the phone. Yeah, them my bar boosters right there. I'm telling you. Oh my God, look at that. This finna be, you already know, say it with me, platinum. I got the corn. I got the corn. Got my celery right here. Now look, that's nothing but flavor right there. Look at the flavor. Straight flavor. Now you can't go wrong with the onions too. Oh my God, now after sitting for about 30 minutes, they ready too.